Cursing. The next danger of the tongue is cursing. This is when one supplicates for the mercy of Allah, the Exalted, to be removed from something or someone else. Only Allah, the Exalted, is aware of who deserves to be cursed and deprived of His mercy. Therefore, one should avoid this foolish habit. Cursing someone who does not deserve it is a foul act, and the one who desires the mercy of Allah, the Exalted, to be removed from someone else may find that it is removed from them instead. In fact, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, has made it clear in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2019, that a true believer does not curse. The Muslims who have the habit of cursing are so disliked by Allah, the Exalted, that they will be deprived of being witnesses and intercessors on the Day of Judgment. Allah, the Exalted, will dislike showing them off to the rest of creation on the last day. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6610. Finally, a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6652, highlights the severity of cursing a believer. The Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, declared that cursing a believer is like killing them. Even if one deserves to be cursed, it is safer and wiser to abstain, and instead utter words which will please Allah, the Exalted, such as His remembrance. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.